Hello guys, welcome to the new video of Zita Site Builder. I am Anurag. Here we will build a fashion shop website from scratch. Within a few minutes, our website will be ready. Let's get started. Click on Create My Website. Here choose the page builder whichever you prefer. You can also choose a category for your website. Now choose the design for the website. As we are going to have a fashion shop, we can choose this design. This is how the website will look. You can go back to choose another design. Click on Continue to proceed further. After checking these points, click on Build My Website. Click here to customize the site, and to view your website, click here. You can customize your site with the page builder whichever you have chosen earlier. You can add, edit, or remove a section here. You can pick a background color and its hover color also. You can enhance the section by inserting some designs like shape dividers. After customization, update the site and go back. Now click on View Website. The site has been updated. You can still make little changes through Customizer. Click on Customize in the top left corner. Go to Site Identity, and click on Change Logo. Now upload your logo. The logo has been changed. If you have any tagline, then you can write here, then check this box to show the tagline. You can customize the colors from here also. Just go to the total color and BG options. You can choose separate colors for the background and theme. After all changes, click on Publish to save the changes. The site icon and all other changes have been saved. Your site is ready. The users can compare 2 or more products easily. They can add the products to the cart from here. To view the products in the cart, click on this icon. That's how you can get ready a website within 2 minutes with the Zita Site Builder. Thanks for watching.